So somebody asked, does the Open Sky have an income requirement? So let's actually look at the Open Sky credit card. So I don't know if the Open Sky credit card have a definite income requirement. All I know is, let me just say this. I look at accounts different now. Look at accounts different. I look at it as an easy account, a medium account, or a hard account. You got to have good credit, medium credit, or bad credit. What is the requirements? When it comes down to the Open Sky, they're not going to check your credit at all. If you did put down any income, they're not going to most likely ask you for verification. This is a secure credit card. Y'all don't even check my credit, but y'all want to know what's coming in my pocket. This is a secure credit card. So I wouldn't think that they'll have any income requirements, but let's go ahead and check out their website together, and then we can kind of read more about, the Open Sky credit card. But like I said, you guys, you're not going to get a hard inquiry when you apply for the Open Sky credit card. You should not at all. They shouldn't even check your credit. But you can go ahead and click apply now. And then all you have to do is just fill out the application. And then I know at the bottom is where you have to put your security deposit, because it's a secure credit card. So I know I told you guys, sign up for the credit builder card. Yeah, you can sign up for the credit builder card, but if you're in Wisconsin and I believe a few other states, you can't even get the credit builder card. So I always tell people to get the Open Sky credit card, and you can put $200 down too, the same thing as the credit builder card. I do like the credit builder card more because, for one thing, they report before you even get the card. They're going to report to credit bureaus right away. Before you can spend the card, they're going to report. So I really like them. But if you can't get that, just get this card right here, too, because it's only a $200 limit, but you can go up to $3,000. And I told you guys, too, I've been got this card like years ago, but I still hold this account. So, yeah, you guys, I don't think that they have any income requirements, but I believe that they ask you. They want to ask you about it, but I don't think that they're going to really do any verification. Like, they're not going to be like, hey, send me this information. They're not going to ask, like, send me all your verification for your income. So, yeah, you guys, you can definitely apply for the Open Sky credit card. And like I said, too, if you need to get a secure credit card because maybe your credit is not the best. Maybe you messed up on some of your old credit cards. You kind of got to start over. Then this may be a good credit card for you. But again, they're not going to check your credit, and they shouldn't, go too deep into like the things like your income and things like that. But definitely check it out.